Ever wondered how those colorful, sugary treats known as jelly beans are made? Well, you're in for a sweet surprise. In today's video, we'll take you on a mouth-watering journey behind the scenes of jelly bean production. Get ready to satisfy your curiosity and indulge your taste buds as we uncover the secrets of how it's made. Jelly beans. Jelly beans start with a few key ingredients that come together to create their delicious flavor. The primary ingredient is sugar, which gives jelly beans their sweet taste. Corn syrup is added to provide the right consistency and texture, ensuring that the beans have a satisfying chewiness. Flavorings are then mixed in, ranging from fruity favorites like cherry and orange to unique options like buttered popcorn or even spicy cinnamon. Now let's dive into the mixing process. It's not as simple as throwing all the ingredients into a bowl and giving it a stir. Precision is key in creating the perfect jelly bean mixture. Large mixers are used to combine the sugar, corn syrup, and flavorings in precise measurements. The mixture is carefully blended to ensure that all the ingredients are evenly distributed, resulting in consistent flavor throughout each jelly bean. But the mixing process doesn't stop there. The mixture is heated and cooked to a specific temperature, allowing it to reach the ideal consistency. This step is crucial for achieving the desired texture and ensuring that the jelly beans are neither too soft nor too hard. As the mixture cools down, it starts to thicken, becoming more pliable. At this stage, it's time to move on to the next section of the jelly bean production process. But don't worry, we'll explore that in just a moment. Before we continue, let's take a moment to appreciate the artistry involved in creating unique flavors. Jelly bean manufacturers invest significant time and effort in developing new and exciting flavors that appeal to a wide range of taste preferences. From classic fruit flavors to unconventional combinations, the possibilities are endless. Now that we've learned about the ingredients and mixing process, it's time to move on to the next section, molding and shaping. Get ready to see how these delightful candies take their iconic bean shape. Now that we have our perfectly mixed jelly bean concoction, it's time to give them their signature bean shape. The first step in molding jelly beans involves creating bean-shaped molds. These molds are typically made from starch or cornstarch, which provide a soft and pliable surface for shaping the candies. The molds are carefully crafted to ensure uniformity in size and shape, allowing for consistent jelly beans throughout the production process. Once the molds are prepared, the jelly bean mixture is poured into a machine called a STARCH MOGUL. This machine deposits the mixture into the molds, filling them to the brim. As the jelly bean mixture settles into the molds, excess liquid is drained away, leaving behind perfectly formed beans. Next comes the shaping process. The filled molds are then placed in a cool, dry environment, allowing the jelly beans to harden and set. This step is essential in giving the beans their distinct, chewy texture. As the jelly beans cool, they solidify, maintaining their shape and becoming ready for the next stage. After the beans have fully hardened, they are removed from the molds. But don't worry, the starch or cornstarch molds are easily separated from the jelly beans, leaving behind smooth and glossy candies. The beans are then sifted and sorted to remove any imperfect or misshapen ones, ensuring that only the best jelly beans make it to the next step. Quality control plays a vital role during the molding and shaping process. Manufacturers have stringent standards to maintain consistent quality, texture, and appearance of their jelly beans. They inspect each batch carefully, discarding any beans that don't meet their high standards of perfection. Once the jelly beans have been shaped, it's time to give them that iconic sugar coating. The sugar coating process adds a delightful crunch and enhances the flavor experience of each jelly bean. To begin, the jelly beans are placed in large rotating drums. These drums are designed to evenly distribute a mixture of sugar and coloring agents over the beans. The drums gently rotate, ensuring that each jelly bean gets a generous coating of sugar. The sugar coating is not applied all at once. Instead, multiple layers are added to achieve the desired thickness and texture. As each layer is applied, the jelly beans are tumbled and rotated to prevent them from sticking together and to ensure an even distribution of the sugar coating. But what about those eye-catching colors? Coloring agents are mixed with the sugar coating to create the vibrant hues we associate with jelly beans. These coloring agents can be natural or artificial, depending on the manufacturer's preference. The vivid rainbow of colors transforms the jelly beans into a visually enticing treat. Once the sugar coating process is complete, the jelly beans are allowed to dry. This step is essential to set the sugar coating and achieve that satisfying crunch when you bite into a jelly bean. The drying process can take several hours, and it's crucial to maintain optimal conditions to ensure the sugar coating remains intact. To add a finishing touch and enhance the appearance of the jelly beans, a special ingredient called confectioner's glaze is sometimes applied. Confectioner's glaze gives the jelly beans a glossy finish and helps preserve their vibrant colors. It's a common practice in the candy industry to apply this edible glaze to enhance the overall presentation of the candies. With their sugar coating complete, the jelly beans are almost ready to be enjoyed. But before that, we have one more section to explore: flavor sorting and packaging. Once the jelly beans have dried and obtained their vibrant colors, they go through a meticulous flavor sorting process. Automatic sorting machines are employed to separate the jelly beans by their flavors. These machines use advanced technology such as optical sensors or electronic scanning to identify and sort the different flavors with precision and efficiency. Any misidentified or irregularly shaped jelly beans are removed during this process. However, flavor sorting is not solely reliant on machines. Human quality control experts also play a significant role in ensuring the highest level of flavor accuracy. They inspect and taste test random samples from each batch to confirm that the flavor profiles align with the intended recipes. This additional layer of human evaluation helps maintain consistency and the distinct taste of each jelly bean flavor. Once the flavor sorting is complete, it's time to move on to packaging. The jelly beans are carefully transferred into their designated packaging, which can come in various forms, such as bags, boxes, or jars. Manufacturers pay close attention to packaging materials to preserve the freshness and quality of the candies. Special attention is given to seal the packaging, ensuring that the jelly beans remain in perfect condition until they reach your hands. Packaging is not just about functionality, it's an opportunity for creative presentation. Jelly bean packaging often features vibrant designs and captivating graphics, capturing the attention of consumers. Colorful illustrations, mouth-watering imagery, and branding elements come together to entice potential buyers. Once the jelly beans are securely packaged, they are ready to be distributed to stores and ultimately find their way into the hands of candy enthusiasts like you. The packaging not only protects the candies, but also serves as a means of communicating information such as nutritional facts, allergen warnings, and branding messages. As we reach the end of our journey, we hope you've enjoyed discovering the fascinating process behind how jelly beans are made. From the meticulous mixing and shaping to the enchanting sugar coating and flavor sorting, every step is a testament to the artistry and precision involved in creating these delightful candies. Remember, the next time you savor a jelly bean, take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship that goes into each colorful bite. As we conclude our journey into the captivating world of jelly bean production, we hope you've gained a newfound appreciation for these delightful candies. From the careful mixing of ingredients to the intricate molding and shaping, the vibrant sugar coating, flavor sorting, and finally, the eye-catching packaging, each step showcases the dedication and craftsmanship that goes into creating these tiny bursts of sweetness. Behind every jelly bean lies a meticulous process that combines science, artistry, and a touch of magic. It's fascinating to witness how simple ingredients can be transformed into a treat that brings joy to people of all ages. So, the next time you reach for a handful of jelly beans, take a moment to savor the flavors, marvel at the colors, and appreciate the journey they've taken to reach your taste buds. Let the sweet memories of this exploration remind you of the incredible creativity and innovation found in the world of confectionery. We hope you've enjoyed this immersive experience into the making of jelly beans. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating insights into the secrets behind your favorite treats. Thank you for joining us on this delectable adventure, and until next time, keep indulging in the sweet wonders of life.